Hey everybody, it's Jerry. Y'all, it's the first time I've ever applied a gun skin to my clip. Me mag. Yo mag. I don't really know how to do it, but I did watch a video. Watch the video, damn it. I know everything now. Shit. Already screwing up. Alright. So now apparently you're supposed to start at the bottom. Like so. Shit. You can't be able to see with me. My hands in the way. But anyway, you're supposed to start at the bottom. There's a little mark right here. See that little mark? Well, I got it wrong already. But apparently they make these things so that after you're, make sure you clean your gun or your clip or whatever you're applying it to. Make sure you clean it first. And they make these things apparently so that if you screw up, you can take it back off and do it again. All these little grooves and stuff, I'm just taking my finger, working that sucker in there. Working it all in those little grooves. I'll do it for this side. Pull that good and snug. When they put these, when they ship these, they already have them pre-cut. There's two little slits on the side here so that you can get it going right. Which I think I already kind of screwed it up again, but that's okay. This is just a trial and error kind of thing. You heat it a little. After you make sure that it is empty, make sure it's empty before you start heating this sucker. There it is. Pretty as a picture, ain't it? The old American flag, red, white, and blue. But with the skull. That's right, with the skull. This is high temp heat torch, so I would not recommend leaving it on there very long. Alright, there we go. Pretty as a picture. Got the one for the other side too. So I put it on off camera. I'll see y'all later.